Here's my gas meter. One side is silvery and clean, that goes into the ground. That's maintained by the gas company. The other side of the meter is brown and starting to show some rust. That's the part that's supposed to be maintained by me, the homeowner. On an annual basis, you should go ahead and clean this up and then go ahead and paint it to keep it protected from the elements. So here's the gas meter after a quick spray painting. Now what I'm going to do is show you how I do it. I take a large piece of cardboard, kind of measure it up, size it up, and I cut out a gap of cardboard so that it fits over the gas line. Like that. I'm also going to take a little piece of cardboard and put it underneath to cover up that hole. You can also use painter's tape. I now have a backsplash for any kind of paint I put on this gas line. Now I take some RustOleum that matches the gas line color on the other side and just go over every aspect of the pipe. You can choose your own color. I chose silver just to make it look like the other side. You can do this on an annual or even semi-annual basis and you'll be fine. Once you're done spraying, you've got all the spots, you can pull the cardboard away and you'll see that your siding is completely paint free. Good job. Another little bit of maintenance you can do with your gas line is check the hole where the gas line goes into your house. Mine has caulk that does dry out every so often, so I apply a new layer of it. I'm using some exterior white caulk, and I'm going to use a very sophisticated tool to spread it around. There it is. I take my caulk, put a thick bead of it around if I can. And then just using my finger, I just spread it into any little cracks and crevices. This will keep out bugs, critters, drafts, water. You can wear gloves if you want. Feel free to paint the caulk, the color of your siding, or the color of your gas line, up to you. I'm usually not real neat about this because I have a bush in front of my gas line. It cleans up with a paper towel and water. It takes about 12 to 24 hours to completely dry. And you're done. Here's my gas line that is now spray painted, cleaned, and caulked, and ready for another year.